Experiment A6, the aim of this experiment is to calculate the heat of displacement when zinc powder is added to copper 2 sulfate solution. The first part of the method is to weigh out a known mass of zinc powder. So here's an empty weighing boat on a balance, if you'd like to record the mass of that. I'll take that weighing boat off the balance then and add some zinc powder to it. It says in the method between 5.80 and 6.20 grams, so I'm not sure what that looks like. So I've just done a heat spatula. I want to see how much that is. Okay, so that was about 2 grams, I think. So if I do another one in a bit, let's have a look at this. A little bit more needed. One on there, 6.92, a tiny bit more, and that should be about right. There's the final mass of the weighing boat and the zinc powder. So here I've got a polystyrene cup which is just sitting in a glass beaker like so. Here I've got 25 centimetres cubed measured in a measuring cylinder of copper 2 sulfate solution. The concentration of that is 1.0 moles per decimetre cube. So that's going into that polystyrene cup just like so. In this weighing boat I've got some zinc powder that I've just weighed out. So I'm going to take the zinc powder and I will add it to the cup, but not yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a thermometer just like this and record the temperature to the nearest 0.5 degrees C of the solution every 30 seconds. So I need a stopwatch, and I've got a stopwatch here. So the time here is 0 and the temperature here is 19.0 degrees C, and I've started that stopwatch. So every 30 seconds I shall record that temperature. So we're 2 minutes 45 seconds now, so I've recorded the temperature every 30 seconds so far. On the 3rd minute, I'm going to add the zinc powder to the cup, not record the temperature because I can't add it and stir it and record everything accurately. So in 3, 2, 1, add that zinc to the cup like so, and I'm going to start stirring it, and I'll keep stirring it for the remainder of the experiment. So if we just keep an eye on this for another 20 seconds and record the first of these temperatures. And I'll keep stirring that round. So in 3, 2, 1 seconds, that's 59.0. Now, whilst I'm waiting for the next 30 seconds, I can go back to the balance and record the final mass of the weighing boat and any of this zinc that's stuck to it, the residue there. So I'll pop that on the balance there. I'll record the final mass. And it's almost time. 3, 2, 1 for the next measurement, which is at 60.0. So now I'm going to keep stirring the contents of the cup and recording the temperature every 30 seconds. When it's reached the highest one, I'm then going to record a few after that highest one, so 6 readings after the maximum temperature has been reached, and then we'll have sufficient data to do the analysis.